The winner of the Veeplaas Climate Smart Ambassador project was recently announced, but the project is far from over. There's still a Farmers' Day to be held on the winner's farm and sponsor interviews. We now chat to John Hudson of Nedbank. Welcome, John.
Thank you and good morning.
Why is it important for Nedbank to be part of the Veeplaas Climate Smart Ambassador project?
Well, I think this is a really good fit. If you look at the objectives of this project, it's to recognise, it's to share information, and to also create awareness. And that's what we've been doing at Nedbank for some time, probably the last 10 years. So when it comes to sustainability, which is really important to Nedbank, it's at the core of what we do. So if you look at it in that sense, I think it's a really good fit. And quite honestly, when I saw this project, I said, yes, Nedbank is going to be involved.
You're involved in a wide range of climate-related projects. What are these projects and why are you involved?
Well, it does go back to Nedbank's purpose. So Nedbank is a purpose-driven bank, and our purpose is to use our financial expertise to do good for individuals, businesses, and society. And if you consider that our purpose is actually underpinned by the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, then it makes absolute sense for us to have a focus on sustainability. And if you look at the SDGs, there's quite a number that impact this sector. So sort of agriculture is both a recipient of climate change, but it's also the cause of climate change. So on both counts, really important. And I think banks, and Nedbank in this case, has a vital role to play in driving change and using its lending to drive change, positive change.
Suffice to say that climate change is a topic that you are very passionate about. So you continuously lend support to sustainable fruit and wine projects. Elaborate on this a bit.
Yes, that's probably only two projects. We have had a long-standing partnership with the WWF South Africa, and that goes back 30 years, in fact, for Nedbank. But more recently, the past 8 years, we've had a specific focus in terms of agriculture and the sector, and more so on climate change. So we've had a number of projects jointly with them. So as you mentioned, wine, fruit. We've also been part of Sus Farms, which is sugar. More recently, we've looked at water stewardship, which is really important. And then, of course, we are supportive of the Milk Producers Organisation Stewardship Awards as well. And only last year, we did a business case where we were party to a business case with Trace and Save, which looks at sustainability and really measures sustainability. And really, that's been very exciting as well, because we're starting to link the dots between sustainable farming practices and what it means to the bottom line, which is great.
Okay, so there will be a Farmers' Day on the farm of the winner of the Veeplaas Climate Smart Ambassador project. What can guests and speakers expect from Nedbank on the day?
Well, we are really excited. I mean, that's the culmination of this. And really congratulations to all those that participated and the finalists and, of course, the winner. Nedbank will be there. We will have staff there. We have a chance to speak there as well. So I think the best that we can do is to be there on the day, to be involved and to talk to clients and to really tell the story about sustainability and the positive change that we can make.
There you go. That was John Hudson of Nedbank.